Hi kiddies, in this video we are going to see the cute easy drawing of bison and also some interesting facts about bisons. Yeah, let's go. Before that, just click the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Yeah, now we go. Number 1. Bison is a wild mammal. Number 2. Male bison can grow up to over 6 feet tall and 11 feet long. Number 3. A wild bison's lifespan is about 25 years. Number 4. Bison can run faster than horses. Number 5. Both male and female bison have horns. Number 6. Bison can blow snow with their heads. Number 7. Baby bison are an orange-red color until they are a few months older. Number 8. Bisons are nearsighted. Number 9. Bison's coats are extraordinarily thick. Number 10. Bisons are North America's largest mammal. Number 11. Bison make a variety of sound. Number 12. Bisons were almost extinct. Number 13. Bison is a herbivore, so they can eat grasses, herbs, shrubs, and twigs. Number 14. Bisons can jump as high as 6 feet vertically. Number 15. Bisons can spin around quickly. Number 17. Male bisons are also called a bull. I hope you like this cute easy drawing of bison and also facts about bisons. If you are, then hit the like button to this video and do subscribe for our channel to get more drawings with some informations. Thank you. Bye bye.